Hello. Today we are making that hot dog with octopus. For that, what we need? Come to see. Bone, cheese gouda, spicy chili. In here, onion, shallot, parsley, little bit salt, pepper, and tomatoes. In here, like guacamole, avocado, salt, lime juice, and olive oil. Arugula. This is boiled octopus. We need to fry. It is preparing for us. We need to make. And and for frying we are using garlic oil. In here oil just and garlic. Shake. And we are starting. First put the here and take the pan. Little bit oil. Octopus. Garlic we need to add after. Frying the octopus. Here, continue. Where are you? Come. Ready? We can go put the cheese here. Maybe 2 pieces. Yes. Wait, extra. That's it. We need to try. I'm listening. We are hungry. Yeah. with garlic. This color gives the garlic. Spicy, let's do like spicy, yes?
Yes.
She's from Mexico. Garlic aioli. In here, mayonnaise, lemon juice, and garlic. This will be good, yeah? No. One portion for one people, but we are trying for that. We need to cut. What do you think, Leslie?
It looks good.
Yes. See a hot dog, expensive. Smells good. Yes. Come to try. Bon appetit.